Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to redesign an existing app here in Stitch. Let's say it's your own app or app UI design. Okay. All you need to do is just go ahead and open up the existing app. Let's say this one right here. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead and click on the navigation area or icon and just click on duplicate. Okay. And once done, there will be a duplicate right here under your projects. Now, the other option is by looking up other apps. Let's say we have here Canva. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open up Canva like so. And once done, you can go ahead and take a screenshot of Canva, or you could go ahead and use the URL right here. Copy it, go back to Stitch. Now go ahead and click on the plus sign right here. Make sure to select the correct UI or UX platform. I'm just going to go ahead and use web, click on plus sign, enter web URL, paste. There you go. So Canva right here is selected. Now what we're going to do is that maybe add in a simple prompt. For example, redesign this into a clean minimalist app with a dark theme. Okay, just click on generate and just wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see here, it now says the design has been generated for your app. So it generated a page named Connection Security Check. Okay, this screen is a clean, minimalist, dark theme desktop page for a connection security check, displaying connection details and the link to report issues. Now, if you want to add in some more pages, okay, you can just go ahead and let Stitch know. Like create another page where we can go ahead and log in, something like that. Or you could go ahead and click on edit right here, edit the theme. Right here, change the font if you want to. Change the color palette, and the appearance would be light or dark. Okay, if you want to be more specific, you can go ahead and use a prompt in here. And once that's done, you can go ahead and copy the design directly to Figma for a detailed work. Now, if you don't know how to connect the two, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check it out on the channel. Now, if you want to copy the clean front-end code HTML or CSS, just click on more and click on view code right here. Copy the code at the top right, as you won't be able to write anything right here. Okay, there you have it. That is how you redesign an existing app in Stitch. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.